Welcome to use ZB500S, Automatic Solder Paste Agitation Machine. ZB500S is widely used in SMT producing to avoid increasing human labor cost and inhomogeneity. Centrifugal force is applied to agitate solder paste uniformly, evacuate bobbles, and improve welding quality. Centrifugal force caused by automatic solder paste agitation machine combined with force which is 45 degrees to revolution axis makes inner upfloating solder paste moving downwards uniformly. Generous appearance design of ZB500S is made by experienced technicians. International electronic and mechanical safety devices are applied in ZB500S. Humanized operating panel is friendly to operators who can learn and start using easily. Precise timer is added into system to provide better and precise time control. Uniform solder paste brings improvement of welding and producing efficiency because of its reduction of explosion during the welding process. Manipulate procedure. Release the buckles and open the door. Take out all the fittings, including elastic belt. Put elastic belt around solder paste bottle and then put the bottle into agitating tank with counterweight. Close the cover and lock buckles. Turn on ZB500S and set agitating time. Press the start button. Power off and take out solder paste bottle when time is up. Perfect uniform solder paste must be agitated for over 10 minutes in average. Warning: must not unlock buckles and open the cover during agitation. Adjust 4 foot pads to keep balance for stable working conditions. Must keep balance of the system during agitation. 2 bottles of solder paste can be agitated by replacing counterweight with another one. Please follow the instructions in case any problems and error may occur during operations. Any further information and consultant, please contact After Sales Hotline 400-692-6668. Thank you for your cooperation.